Let's wander around the streets of Chicago. Don't go away. I'll be right back. Welcome back to my channel. For part of our US RV travel journey, we visited Chicago, the third largest city in the US. We actually made 3 separate trips to Chicago from Michigan City, Indiana, where we stationed our RV for 2 weeks. Chicago is 50 plus miles from Michigan City. One-way driving takes more than an hour. I will make a separate video about our 2-week boondocking in Michigan City. In our first visit, we paid for street parking only to find a parking ticket on our windshield. The $75 parking ticket claimed that we did not have a parking permit related to Soldier Field or something like that, even though I did not see any sign about it. We're still in the process of contesting the ticket. We later found that an easy and cheap way to park in Chicago downtown is by using the app called ParkWhiz. It cost us just over $10 for 5 hours of parking. Unfortunately, we couldn't make it back in time and got penalized. We had to go and try the famous deep dish pizza of Chicago. I think it's not bad, but still overrated. The Magnificent Mile is basically just a long strip mall. I guess if a strip mall can last 1 mile, it has to be magnificent. Otherwise, I think it's just a marketing product. The entrance of Navy Pier made it seem like it's nothing but a big playground for kids. Actually, I think the long pier is worth a walk. I usually take some drone videos to have a bigger picture wherever I can. However, this time it's different because I crashed the drone. The DJI Mavic Air 2 drone has an object avoidance feature, but evidently it does not have a sensor on the side. I was careless to let the drone fly out of line of sight. The drone crashed into a hotel building and fell from 70 meters in the sky. I used the Find My Drone feature to locate the drone, which is 0.4 miles. It ended up falling on a balcony. I was lucky that it did not cause any property damage or personal harm. After replacing a couple propellers, the drone seems to work without a problem. Moral of the story: pay attention when operating a drone. And this concludes our Chicago visit. I hope you like this video, and please feel free to like and subscribe. I hope to see you in my next video.